With this video, you will learn how to properly install gable fascia. Measure diagonal length of the soffit box. Mark it on the fascia. Cut and bend flat the fascia lip. Set the prepared fascia piece in place and mark the two edges of the box. Cut, set it in place. Make sure it is even with the box and use self-drilling fasteners as shown on the screen to install. You can also use rivets or nails. Continue to the top of the gable. Run one fascia longer at the gable connection and overlap with the opposite with the proper angle cut as shown on the screen.